Hello, Eva here with Jordan Travel Enterprise and TravelwithEva.com. And today I want to give you a tour of room 311. It is the category AA, and we are on the AmaKristina. Should you select this category, you know what it looks like. Come on in. So over here we have your bedding, your double bed. You have a comfortable couch to sit in, to relax on those days. And this has a double balcony. You have your Juliet balcony, which means it opens, but you don't go out. And the wonderful thing about this balcony, so like if you were here and you just wanted to get some air, you could open this up. The wonderful thing about this is that you have a dual balcony. And over here, open is your dual balcony. And right now we're going through the locks, which I will be sharing a little bit more about that with you on another video. So you have the dual balcony. Should you want to sit out, get some fresh air. Okay. And you have the area here for desk for seating. You have your computer and also TV. You can watch TV. You have music, entertainment, your onboard safety briefing, and maps and weather. You also have a area here for an ice bucket, a vase, because a little surprise, you might be getting flowers or a flower while you're on the cruise. Then come over here, and here is your refrigerator in the room. You get refreshed water complimentary each as you need it. Oops. There we go. And let me take you into the bathroom. You have your sink, your towels. Under here you have your extra supplies and room for your makeup, any little extras that you have that you might want to keep in the bathroom. And you have a spacious shower with dual heads. And of course your potty. And if you're thinking, do I have room for luggage and things like that? Well, you do. So you have your closet here. You have plenty of room. And then you have your in-room safe. There are 2 robes for you, slippers, laundry bag, and the laundry is very reasonable. Unlike a hotel where you would think, oh, I'm not going to do laundry because it's so expensive. And extra blankets if you're like me and you get chilly at night. So this is an example of an AA category for your as you think about what selection you want. Thank you, and bye for now.